Hello lovelies, welcome to our channel Varieties. Today we are making tofu from soy. Yes, so this is our tofu. We are gonna make it using the soy bean. So let's get started. So our soy, we have soaked it in water for 4 hours now. So we'll remove it and then start blending it. I'll sieve out this water. And we'll start blending. So I'm pouring it in the blender. And I'll add water and start blending. To prevent spilling, this is condo water, so I'm using that on it to prevent spilling. So you have to put stone on it to let the water come. There we go, our tofu is ready. This is what we got from 1 cup. We have used some already. We've mixed some of the video because there was a mistake, so we couldn't show you the whole of it, but this is actually what we got. The rest we missed that video. So with this, we will see you in our next video using this to prepare the tofu kebab or the soy kebab. So lovelies, thank you all for loyally watching our videos. We thank you all our returning subscribers, and the new subscribers, we are waiting for you to subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe, we love you, and it's a bye.